In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use a contact list column in your Smartsheet project sheet. First, open your browser and go to your project sheet in Smartsheet. Make sure you're on the grid view so you can see all your columns and rows clearly. This is where you'll be working to configure your contact list. Next, click on the highlighted column where you want to store your contacts. This is usually a column such as Owner, Assignee, or Contact. When you click the column header, you'll open up the column settings. From here, you're going to specify that this column should be a contact list type. In the column settings panel, choose the option for a contact list. This tells Smartsheet that cells in this column should store people, not just plain text. Once you've selected contact list, look for the area that lets you manage or set preferred contact list values. Click on the highlighted area to open those options. Now click on the preferred contact list values section. This lets you define a list of contacts that will be available from a drop-down when you use this column. If you see a message like "No results found," that simply means you haven't added any contacts yet. That's completely fine. We're about to add them. Before you finalize, check that the column name is correct and clearly describes what this contact list is for, such as project owner or primary contact. Once you're happy with the name and the type, click Apply to save your changes to the column. Now that the column is set up as a contact list, click back into one of the cells in that column where you see the highlight. This will bring up the contact picker. Click again in the highlighted area to open the full list of available contacts. From here, select the appropriate person from your account's contact list. You might see an internal test or placeholder account in the list. Choose the contact that makes sense for your project. After that, click in the cell again to reopen the contact picker and add or change the contact if needed. You'll see additional email-style contacts available. Select the contact that matches the person responsible for that task or row. Repeat this for any other row, choosing the correct contact each time. Once you've done this, your Smartsheet project sheet will have a fully functional contact list column, making it easier to assign work and keep your team organized.